Step up. Oh. Run away. I don't know where he's going.
Try putting your hand out there.
Like this?
Yeah, like have her step up on your hand.
Oh, there we go. Step up. Step up. Oh. He's moving. Step up. Step up. There we go. There we go. There we go. Hey, birdie.
Dr. Evil and the Naked Cat. Talk to her, Seth.
Hello? Hello?
No, Seth, not just hello.
Hi. What's your name?
Okay, that's a cool one.
I want to pet it.
I like that one.
Again for the hat.
Yeah.
Where? What? I'm gonna take this off.
Oh, look at he likes you, Seth. He's got a fuzzy
Hey!
Yeah.
I want to pet it, but it can't.
Don't reach so fast for her, you'll scare her.
What should I say?
So you're okay. You're okay.
Pretty bird.
That's tickle my
bird.
neck.
Pretty
Hair.
bird.
Yum.
Where is it? Oh, there it is. Ah, ow, that's my ear. Ow.
Put your hood up.
Ow.
Well, you can't, she's
'cause
on
the
your hood.
bird's on my
Yeah.
hood. This is the bird.
He's
Well,
right
don't do
behind
that
you.
because that'll do that.
Okay, can like, I don't know.
Do it like girl if you want to walk.
Just
Hello?
hold your hand on your shoulder and say step up.
Ow!
That
my
did
thumb.
not hurt.
Do you want me to get her?
Yeah.
What a sweet bird.
Seth being attacked by a bird.
Yeah, she can be kind of a rat. Come here. Step up.
Yeah. What are you doing? Look at that.
How long have you had her?